Good afternoon from the Netherlands. I'm visiting and also attending the KJMV day every year. And now today is the Suzuki is here in all kinds of models. So nice to have a look around. Katana.
Dan met vol zetten.
Turbo. RE5. Nice. Very nice. RE5s in a row, 3. I have 3 bikes here. One of the bikes from my shop is this one. 1985. Beautiful bike, and this is the new Suzuki. Very nice 350 here. Rebel. Let's go in. The GT 750 Nima. G1000 Yoshimura. Nice. Suzuki 500.
Café race van gemaakt.
Ja. Let's go in. Suzuki Goleda SB125. Never seen this one. Nice. And it's in location with a lot of classic cars. I'll make another video from that. TC250 Scrambler. Oh, nice. T20. Suzuki Scooter. This is the Bearcat B10 SP 1967. Very nice. Showroom condition. All Suzukis. Another 350. This is nice. It's the Stinger. Beautiful. GT 380, like new. This is very nice here. GS 1000, X7, like new. GS 1000. This one is for sale. Probably will come to our shop. GS 850. RG 250. Then the GSX R750 limited edition with the dry clutch. The silver Suzuki, cool bike. And someone is inspecting my own RG 500, which is not for sale. First owner bike. Some newer ones. Some beautiful bikes here. And that's another bike from me, it's my own West Cooley, Yoshimura. 130 PS on the rear wheel. A beautiful bike. Not for sale. This Suzuki RG 500 from Will Hartog, the Dutch racer, who won TT in Assen 1977. Very nice bike. So beautiful bikes here. Very nice. And here we have some nice all top condition. Wow. Very cool bikes here. And then here we have the GT 185, GT 250, 380, 500, 550, 750. Very nice.
verkeerd aan de hand.
Okay, thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. I think I'll make another video with the cars that are in here. This is special. And if you like our videos, please subscribe. Okay, hope to see you back soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.